everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us again to a hopefully funny video.
Hi, I'm Nadia.
Rena, you want to let's start again. So, hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thank you for joining us again. Now, what's the problem, Andre? 1, 2, 3. Hello everyone.
Hi.
Thank you for joining us again to another fun video. And we will introduce quickly ourselves. Rena, you mad?
Hi, I'm Nadia.
I am Tania.
And I'm Andre.
So today's video is part 3 out of 4. And yeah, we hope you enjoy and have a lot of fun. Yeah, making fun of us, basically.
Alexa, are you my friend? Alexa, do you know Jane from BTS? I don't know that.
Okay, another
Alexa, do you know from BTS?
so the first time you want to
Yeah, I want to see
it one more time?
Yes. Alexa, do you understand my accent?
2000. Rena, what are you eating again? Rena, what are you eating again?
Speculatius.
What is that?
Speculatius.
Speculatius.
I'm hungry.
All the time.
Okay, I will watch the third time after. Why
Okay, so 1 minute. I will set the timer.
And 1 minute she wants to finish her cookie.
Done.
She's drinking also. Relax, don't do it. Rena, shall we do a high five now? Because
Yes, which camera? Where is the camera?
from my phone, high five. 1, 2, 3. Ena, Diotri. Okay, it was okay. Don't worry. We did it.
Okay.
Rena, we can do it.
Do you want to see the ingredients first?
All the best.
Then I'm going to set the alarm. We said 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
I can see the ingredients first.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
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 And start?
Yeah. 1, 2, 하나, 둘, 셋.
Rena, put a bit oil in the pan fast. Not a lot, a bit.
Not like
Do not open it yet. Do not turn it on. Turn it off. Yes. Chop it. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Now, chop an onion. Trust yourself. 2, 3. That's enough. Yeah, that's good. That's a lot, I think. Yes.
I was just going to do like that.
Okay.
Towards the camera.
Small pieces, yes.
So one cup of this.
Yes, 1 cup of yogurt. 1/4 of oil and 1 egg. Fast.
Bali.
Balayoni.
Andre, you're bossy here, no?
Taragneoni.
괜찮아. 두개 반드시. 잘했어, 괜찮아.
Andre, do you want to use any of the cards?
No, it's okay. Not yet. If you think it's mixed well, put inside the 1 cup of flour.
Green pepper.
No, salt and pepper.
After that,
then put 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda.
What?
Put it inside.
Baking powder.
Wait, soda, 1/2 teaspoon.
No baking powder.
The baking powder.
Yes. 8 more or less. This is 1 teaspoon.
Half I want. Okay. And now you have mozzarella probably. Don't mix it. Okay. Now cut it in thin slices. You don't need everything. Or maybe... Τα είχα λωρίδες και μετά ξανά έτσι. Τα είχατε για chopped.
Okay, are you trying to show me? I mean, I cannot see anything.
Yes. Chop it. Σε λωρίδες και μετά σε τετράγωνα 4 λεπτά. Λεπτές λωρίδες, 4 λεπτές και μετά τις λωρίδες κόψετε σε τετράγωνα.
In small squares, basically, no?
Yeah, small squares. Thank you, Tania. Rena, hear me. When you put it inside, Corey, we don't have time. For your nose. You turned on the heat, right?
Yes, I'm going to disinfect my hands. Yeah.
Okay, now put the cheese inside also, and hear me out. You will take the spatula, okay, and mix it well, but not too much.
She wants to use one of the
Helps.
Yes.
Andrea, you can go and help her.
For how long did we say? For like she already left.
2 minutes. Yeah, I'm putting alarm.
Yeah, this is the help. This is not help. Andre, you're not supposed. Andre, you're not supposed to do it for her. You're supposed to help her. Give her instructions or something.
Tablespoon. Take one, put it here, and then take another one from above it. You remember how I do you put 2 teaspoons and then you spread it a bit, but not a lot.
Like you show the dough as well. Can you show the dough?
1 more minute.
Closer.
So I will show the dough. I put first one.
This is how it looks.
I put first 1 scoop. Wait a bit, or put it directly.
Directly above.
Okay.
And then you spread it a bit. This is how it looks.
Come back, I'm missing you.
Andre, come. Andre. Andre.
Back to me.
Go.
Rena, you can't do it on me.
So it's all like this.
Yes. And now another one. Got a tablespoon or a teaspoon.
Yeah.
Take one, put it here.
Εντάξει, βάλε άλλο ένα. Put another one. And spread.
Again.
Class, 2 minutes.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Rena, do immediately also a second one.
Doesn't look pretty.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying you, so that we can cover the other one with the two,
Don't
for the
forget.
presentation.
That looks cute. Rena, how is it going?
If I have time, I will cut it. And we have cookie cutters, no?
Ah, yes.
It has that.
Rena,
but
for
you
the
can cut
presentation,
over-
you can put the coriander also from the top so that it looks nice. And put the two, the one above the other one, but in
Andre, show her.
I wanted to show you right
My eyes are on you. Andre, my eyes are on you. Show me what you want exactly.
Your eyes can't tell.
Wait, how thick do they have to be?
What?
How thick does it have to be?
Ah, thick.
Come here. Oh.
Andre,
Yes. What are you Magic Tania, yes, I know the magic trick.
I would show it to Rena, but she cannot look.
Tanya, I have also one.
Well, let's explain. Wait, let's explain this. We bought this.
How does it taste, Rena? Is it okay?
One
1 minute, that's more important.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, that's good.
We bought this a month ago, I think, and Rena was very excited when she found out that you can press this button.
Yeah. Yeah.
And then.
And if you press it again, it's closed, so nothing comes out.
Well, some jokes, but now it comes.
And it's
Rena
rich
was
and
really
also
excited when
here
she
how
found
to do it. And Rena discovered it after a long time. And she showed it to us and she was super excited, like, wow. And we are like, yeah, we all know already.
I will cut it if I have time.
Ah, yes, and as I said, put a bit coriander from above so it looks nice.
Oh, they're trying to score high points for presentation.
Yes, because last time they got 8, that's why. Ρε πάλι φουσκωνάγια μου, δείτε κατάσταση.
Κουρέ, εμένα αρέσκουν μου τα φουσκωμένα μαλλιά σου, εμένα αρέσκει η μαξί σου.
Και αν είναι τη μισή οθόνη τα μαλλιά μου. Δε, αν τα βάλω όλα μπροστά, πιάνε. Δε κατάσταση.
Unfortunately, I cannot use the alpaca card sheet.
Rena, you are not the judge. Anyway, I don't think that they will be that happy with alpaca.
Yeah.
Nadia, which one do you want?
Which one do you want, Nadia?
Butterfly.
1.5 minutes left. I don't think you will have time to cut it.
I have a star.
Okay.
I have many actually. Can you see them? Which one do you want? I have a
Surprise me.
gingerbread man.
Surprise me.
If I had a choice, I would give you alpaca, but
I think Nadia is happy that you don't
actually,
you want.
I know which one to give.
20 seconds.
20 seconds.
Only. Which one do you prepare? Oh, they are not done. But maybe it's the cheese actually.
Ah, yeah, maybe that's why do the shape
10
because it doesn't look nice.
seconds.
Kuri, time's up.
Time's up.
Hey, stop.
So this is the end product.
Oh, it's sweet. It's butterfly.
No, it's not a butterfly. What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
Octopus?
Is it not a
No.
butterfly?
It's a dog?
Wait. What is this? Rabbit. It's rabbit, actually. What?
It's not Easter, but okay.
No. Yeah, I
Like
said
bunny.
I said
A cookie. Ah, like JK. Okay.
I'm trying to bribe Nadia.
But it doesn't count anyway, Rena.
I have the finished product here as well. Okay, let me try it. It actually tastes good.
This is my plate.
Of course it tastes good. I made it. Little bit. So points, teamwork, 10.
Thank you.
I think you work together. Tania, what do you think?
Yeah, it was fine.
For the taste, I'm giving a 10 for the appearance now.
It had the bunny.
Tania, what do you think?
No, I will not count the bunny because the bunny was not ready when time was up. So I will just think it's the plain one. I'm sorry, Rena. So
I will give you an 8 because there was nothing. Like if at least you put a piece of coriander on it, I would say at least.
okay, then 8 for
But
appearance.
if you had finished on time, I would have given you a 10 because you put the bunny on it. And it was
Yes. Okay. Yeah, I would also say 8 for appearance and taste. I will just
right.
trust your feeling. Thank you everyone for watching. It was a fun episode. I hope also
We
for you.
hope you also had fun watching us. And we hope you also liked the video. And if you stayed until now, and then hopefully you will see also the next video. So also like the video if it was fun for you.
Yeah, and I think the recipe will be linked.
Yeah, and if you have any other video ideas, just let us know.
Anything.
Any
We
ideas
are
are welcome.
open.
Right in the comment section. And like the video if you liked it. You can also subscribe if you haven't yet.
And follow us on Instagram. the.power.of.four.
Oh, yeah.
Why do you keep saying that?
Because we always say it, so it's stuck now.
Yes.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
well.
bad. Okay, anyways, that's it for today. So see you in the next
time.
one. Bye.
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 And I think you need to do it from the beginning. It doesn't look like that.